Hey, valued customers. So this video is on how to share SunPower with all of your friends and family if you're totally happy with SunPower by Alternative Energy Systems. So the first thing you'll want to do is in your navigation bar, type in share.sunpower.com, and this will take us to the logon page. And so we're just going to type in some basic information here. I'll use my own and an email address that you'll want to use. Accept the terms and conditions. I would read these usually, but for the sake of the video, we won't. Get started. And so the first thing that we'll want to do is to select your dealer. And so we go to this tab here, select your dealer. And so select pick a zip code. Probably the one that you should use is 95973. That is our main headquarters zip code. Pick Alternative Energy Systems. And then if there's a preferred salesperson, so depending on who you're working with, you may want to type in their name here. That way those referrals that you send will go directly to them. And then we save the dealer selection. And so what this does is all referrals that you send from this platform will automatically be preferred and be sent to us. And we thank you so much for that. So now we can get started. So we go back over here to the Refer a Friend tab. And so there's a couple of different ways that you can actually share SunPower. The first way is through email. And this gives us kind of a default setting, so you can change the subject, you can edit what it says here, your name, of course, and then you want to send this to, this is who you're referring, first, last name, email address, and whatever the zip code is, and the preferred dealer, and then preferred salesperson. You can also send more at a time, so this will add more names that you can send out referrals to, okay? Now, the caveat to this is that whoever you send it to, it's an opt-in, so they have to act. There is a yes, I agree to be contacted by a SunPower dealer, and I'll show you what that looks like here in a second. So why don't I go ahead and send one to myself. Let me see, I will make up a name here. Peter Swinkowski, and mail.com and a zip code, and I will send that. So we'll check that here in a second. The other way that you can do this is you can write a Facebook post. This kind of goes broadcast to all of your friends, or you can tweet it. If you want to get a little bit more personal, you can actually copy the link and then paste it into your own email and send it out to those that you're closest with. So anyway, that's it in a nutshell. And so here in a second, I will show you what that email looks like when it comes over after you've referred it to your friend. Okay, welcome back. And so this is what the email will come in. It will come in from your name, and it'll say, you know, whatever that subject is. So save with SunPower. We'll open this up. And so all they need to do is they'll click on this link to see how much you can save with SunPower. And this will take them to another portal where they will request a quote. And so once they click this button, then they will be able to get started, and they'll be contacted by us as soon as possible. And that's it. So thanks so much for watching, and thank you very much for sharing SunPower.